Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an animation loop. So, as you can see in the background here, we have this cube and we have 3 keyframes and it runs even when it's not, animated. So, I'm going to show you how to do it on this guy. You can do this with a walk cycle or anything. You can do this with whatever animation you want. I'm just going to show you a really basic one. So, I'm going to set up my keyframes. So, I location, go 3 frames later, set up I location. Actually, we're going to move them up, obviously. I location, go a few more frames, and then I'll duplicate the first one and bring him back. Now, we go up and we go down, and I'll go ahead and set the interpolation mode to Bezier so it's more smooth. Just like that. So now that we've done that, head over to your animation tab, go over to your object transforms, and make sure you select each of these, then press A in your graph editor. And if you don't have the graph editor showing, just hit the drop down here and select graph editor and it will pull up. Then press Shift plus E. That will open this little tab right here. And then you make cyclic F modifier. And once you do that, you can hit play. And as you can see, we go back to our camera view and let's open the rendered preview. We have a looping animation once again, and it's working perfectly. It's really easy. That's how you loop an animation in Blender. Hopefully that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one.